We blasted them yesterday. Got to get them in epoxy primer before they start rusting. So after you blast metal, it pits it a little bit, makes it sharp. Then when you wipe it down with a rag, you can get lint or fiber on it. So I'm just kicking it down with some 150, smoothing it out a little bit. Got the exhaust manifolds powder coated, and I asked them how much to do the rims. And I said I wanted them two-tone with this silver and everything else black. Guess how much? They have these powder coated, gloss black, and silver. $1,200. Yes, I could buy brand new rims for that price. And I can paint them. Yeah, paint's not as durable as powder coating, but it's worked for 50 years. The original ones were painted, so I knew how to paint a little bit, so we're doing it. We are using Kirker Enduro Prime epoxy primer. It's mixed 1-to-1. I like it. It's easy to mix. Last chance to come clean. Tell me who did it. Otherwise I'm gonna shoot you. Alright, we got it epoxy primered, and we got 2 good coats of color on. Next is to put the stencils on it and spray the black, and then I'm going to clear over everything.